Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here's the problem. A plant's height is measured over time. On day 8, the plant is 12 centimeters tall. On day 20, the plant is 26 centimeters tall. Write an equation in point-slope form to model the plant's height h as a function of days d. Then convert to slope-intercept form and predict the plant's height on day 35. Now let us work through the solution step by step. We start by identifying our two data points. On day 8, the plant is 12 centimeters tall, and on day 20, it is 26 centimeters tall. We'll call these point 1 and point 2. Next, we calculate the slope using the 2 points. We subtract the heights and divide by the difference in days. 26 minus 12 is 14, and 20 minus 8 is 12. So the slope simplifies to 7 over 6. Meaning the plant grows 7/6 of a centimeter every day. Now we plug into the point-slope formula. We use slope 7 over 6 and point 1, which is day 8 and height 12. The result is h minus 12 equals 7 over 6 times the quantity d minus 8. That's our point-slope equation. To convert to slope-intercept form, we distribute 7 over 6 through the parentheses. 7 over 6 times d stays as 7 over 6d. 7 over 6 times 8 is 56 over 6, which simplifies to 28 over 3. So we have h minus 12 equals 7 over 6d minus 28 over 3. Adding 12 to both sides, we rewrite 12 as 36 thirds, so the fractions share a denominator. Negative 28 thirds plus 36 thirds is 8 thirds. The slope-intercept form is h equals 7 over 6d plus 8 over 3. Here is the graph of our linear model. The line rises steadily from left to right, passing through day 8 at 12 centimeters and day 20 at 26 centimeters. The h-intercept where the line crosses the vertical axis is at about 2.67 centimeters. To predict the height on day 35, we substitute d equals 35 into our slope-intercept equation. 7 over 6 times 35 is 245 over 6. We convert 8 thirds to 16/6 and add 245 plus 16 is 261, divided by 6 equals 43.5. So on day 35, the plant is predicted to be 43.5 centimeters tall. Let's recap. We found a slope of 7 over 6 centimeters per day. The point-slope equation is h minus 12 equals 7 over 6 times the quantity d minus 8. Converting gives slope-intercept form h equals 7 over 6d plus 8 thirds. Plugging in day 35 predicts a height of 43.5 centimeters. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.